Great! You have learned 88 words. We have summarized and reviewed the grammar together. We have learned the numbers in this lesson, and now we can see whether you understand short English conversations. Please turn off the subtitles and check it out. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Lily. How are you? I'm okay, thanks. And how is your sister? Oh, she is happy now. Thank you. I need to book a table. Yes. What time? 5 p.m., please. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Are you alone here? No, I'm here with my sister. Oh, and where is she? She is speaking with her son now. Who is she? She's my daughter. I don't know her. She is very nice. Yeah, she is. She doesn't live with us. She lives in Canada. Are you cold? No, I'm not. I'm okay. Let's drink something. Yeah, let's drink coffee. Where do your parents live? They live in Paris. Do you like Paris? Yes, I do. It is very nice. Please come with me to the party. I don't know. I don't like parties. What time does it start? I need to work, you know. At 5. Okay, let's go. Why are you sad? Because my test is tomorrow. Read it and go to sleep. Oh, the cake is very good. Do you like it? I'm happy. Hello, Maggie. Where are you going? To school. Why? Tom doesn't like coffee. Jane doesn't drink orange juice. What do I do? They like apple juice. What are you watching? Tennis. Come here and watch it with me. Oh no, I don't have time. Maybe next time. Bye. What's your favorite sport? I play tennis. I like football. Do you play football? No, I don't. Do you speak English? Oh, sorry, I don't. But my sister speaks. Where are you from? I am from the Czech Republic. I'm Eva, and you? I am Tom. Melanie? Eva needs something, and you speak English. Oh, yeah. I am Melanie. Hi. What do you need? Hello, what are you doing? I'm reading my favorite book. Do you know it? Oh no, I don't know it. Where is Elizabeth? She's at work and I don't know when she comes home.